Appointments are a little bit difficult to come by right now unless you join an aggregator.
What is that? What's an aggregator?
Insurance aggregators are groups that offer different companies. Okay, so you can you can buy a State Farm agency, you can buy an Allstate agency. Traditionally, it's going to run between 50,000 and 200 to be totally transparent.
Hmm.
You could you could start your own brokerage that will offer Safeco, Travelers, Bristol West, Progressive is a good one too.
Okay.
Okay, so different kinds, but what you're really looking for, excuse me, are carrier appointments. So
Okay.
Clear Cover, Foremost, right? Next Insurance, Lemonade.
Oh,
Yeah, they got
eliminate
some
them.
good ones. Traveler, Stillwater, Openly. So I again always do your research. I'm just pulling up the first one for purposes of time.
Mhm.
But you can certainly sign up with an aggregator that will appoint these companies to you so that you can start quoting. Now,
Okay.
with that, you may or may not get a CRM, which is customer relations management. That's your profile.
Mhm.
So when you get a new client in, let's say I'm putting in Beth Smith, I need a place to save all of her info. So you can
Okay.
use different ones like Easy Links is a good
Mhm.
example. You can use Easy Links and then it links directly to these companies. But the
Okay.
aggregator collects a group of agents and that all write together because they need a certain premium amount in order to stay active. Aggregators
Is an
cost.
aggregator the same as FMO or similar or no?
I mean, it's the same premise. It's a
Okay.
group of, yeah, it's
Okay.
just a group of. And,
Thank you so much. Mhm.
yeah, for sure. I was going to say, it could cost money for you to sign up depending.
Mm.
They could just say you have to write a certain dollar amount to stay active. They're
Okay.
all just a little bit different. There's so many variables on insurance.
Okay. All right. But thank you. That's something to start, with
Yeah,
anyway, some research.
you
Thank
got
you.
it. Yeah. I did teach a whole going independent session. Um, Gosh, I want to say it was in February. That is also part of the essentials package. So
Okay.
it really dives in.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you. I will check that out.
Yeah. Got,
Thank you.
you got it. Question in the chat box. How much money is needed to go independent or have your own brokerage? So, I mean, first things first, if you go with an aggregator, they're either going to ask for, a particular dollar amount to be able to sign up. They may say, oh, no, we just want you to write a certain dollar amount. A million or whatever. You can buy an agency to be independent, anywhere between 50,000, 200,000. It just depends on who you're buying. What name do you want on your front door? That's the question, right? Also, keep in mind you're going to have to put money into a website. You're going to have to put money into creating a Google. Doesn't cost anything, but you might need to find someone to manage your Google. You might need someone to manage like your SEOs, right? Your person putting in the hashtags and all the keywords. So the operation of going independent can be quite daunting. There are a lot of moving parts. So that is a hard question to ask how much money is needed. It's because there are just so many variables. It depends on what you want to do.